It's a story the Way 31i team spent the past year following. Hicks was found guilty of negligent homicide after he ran over his girlfriend in a Huntsville parking lot, killing her in 2016 while under the influence of meth. But he was given a suspended sentence as long as he followed his terms of probation. Way 31's Sydney Martin is live at the courthouse after she worked to learn why Hicks wasn't sent to an Alabama state prison after recently being found guilty on charges of domestic violence. Sydney?
Dan, the Madison County District's Attorney's Office told me in December of 2018 that Hicks should be sent to prison for violating his probation terms. However, today prosecutors tell me a judge decided he shouldn't go to prison, and there's nothing they can do about it.
It's pretty much a smack in the face for all of us.
Terry Steelman told me he's confused as to why his niece, Jamie Varvel's killer, is not headed to state prison after hurting another woman and her child last year. He told me he was promised by the district attorney's office Martin Wayne Hicks Jr. was headed to prison.
We want to know why there was any decision that needed to be made. He broke his probation, and there should be no decision in that. He should go to jail for the original sentence, period.
Hicks was found guilty in Marshall County in August on 3 charges after he assaulted his now ex-girlfriend and her child last December. The judge in the case gave him 2 years of unsupervised probation and a suspended jail sentence.
There seems to be a disconnect between crime and punishment, and I'm not sure why that is.
Wednesday, Hicks had a probation revocation hearing at the Madison County Courthouse. The judge in the case, James Smith, sentenced him to 45 days of work release.
If they slap him on the wrist, what's to stop him from doing that again?
On the phone, Hicks' now ex-girlfriend told me she testified at Wednesday's hearing, but claimed the judge didn't believe the charges were serious enough to send Hicks to prison.
Why would a victim put herself through that when a judge is allowed to let him go?
And Steelman thinks the latest hearing points out flaws in the legal system.
I just thought it was ridiculous. I just wanted to be in a room with the judge, with the DA, and say, why? Why is that allowable?
Now, I called Judge Smith today to talk to him and was told he was out sick. I talked with his assistant who told me he doesn't talk with the media and he'll be in court all next week. I plan on calling him every day until he gives me an interview. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, Way 31 News.